Thinking about buying a robot vacuum but not sure which one to choose? With so many options on the market, it can get confusing. Some offer ultra-powerful suction, others focus on budget-friendly performance, while some come packed with smart features like self-emptying, mopping, and AI navigation. In today's video, I've done the research for you, analyzing customer reviews, performance, and real-world usability to bring you the top 5 best robot vacuums in 2026. Whether you need something perfect for pet hair, carpets, or completely hands-free smart cleaning, there's an option here for you. Make sure you watch till the end because the number one pick might surprise you and could be the perfect fit for your home. Let's get started. Item number 5. The X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers powerful, intelligent cleaning with up to 20,000 PA suction for deep dirt removal. Its advanced navigation system easily avoids obstacles and reaches tight spaces even under low furniture. Designed for convenience, it features self-cleaning and auto-empty functions for hands-free use. The dual brush system prevents hair tangles while ensuring a quiet, thorough clean. It can climb thresholds and extend brushes into corners for complete coverage. With multiple cleaning modes, it adapts to carpets and hard floors for efficient, customized performance. Item number 4. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers exceptional cleaning with powerful 25,000 PA suction and adjustable levels for any surface. Its extendable brush and mop reach deep into corners and under furniture for thorough results. The all-in-one self-cleaning dock reduces manual effort, while smart navigation ensures precise mapping and obstacle avoidance. With advanced carpet care modes and long battery life, it handles large spaces bisahula. App and voice control make operation effortless, creating a cleaner, healthier home environment. Item number 3. The ROP Vacnic Robot Vacuum and Mop offers efficient 2-in-1 cleaning with strong 5200 PA suction for removing dust, dirt, and pet hair. Its intelligent mopping system includes adjustable water levels to handle different stains with ease. Designed for convenience, it supports app and voice control for hands-free operation. Advanced sensors ensure smooth navigation, obstacle avoidance, and automatic recharging. With multiple cleaning modes and a compact design, it easily reaches tight spaces, making it ideal for maintaining clean floors every day. Item number 2. The L40's Ultra AE Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers powerful 19,000 PA suction to handle both fine dust and large debris on any surface. Its smart brush system prevents hair tangles while ensuring deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. With advanced obstacle avoidance and extended mopping technology, it reaches tight spaces and edges easily. The all-in-one self-emptying dock offers up to 100 days of hands-free cleaning, including hot water mop washing and drying for a hygienic, effortless cleaning experience. Item number 1. This robot vacuum and mop combo delivers powerful 6,000 PA suction for deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors, easily removing pet hair, dust, and debris. Its 4-in-1 system sweeps, vacuums, and mops for complete floor care. With a self-emptying dock, it offers up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. Advanced LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping and efficient routes. Smart app and voice control allow easy customization, making it a convenient and reliable solution for effortless home cleaning.